understand what detoxification is talking about, right?
Yeah.
Now, the theory is propounded to explain detoxification. Now, the theory is propounded. There are many, there are several, but we are going to look at just three. Theory of Sherwin, theory of Bexilla, and theory of Quick. So the first one, theory of Sherwin. Now, these persons we are trying to look at how detoxification takes place. We've said that detoxification, we are converting a toxic substance to a less toxic one or a non-toxic one. So these persons we are trying to explain how that detoxification takes place in the body. That's what we are trying to explain. So the first person, theory of Sherwin, please take note of this S. The theory of Sherwin proposed that toxic compounds are converted to non-toxic ones by making it more soluble. So if the toxic substance in your body is converted to a more soluble one, you agree with me that it can easily be excreted, right?
Yes.
So that's what Sherwin said. That toxic compounds are converted to a less toxic one or non-toxic compound by making it more soluble. So just take for example, you drank sniper. Sniper now is the toxic substance in your body. Sherwin is saying that detoxification can take place by converting that sniper into a more soluble form so that it can easily be excreted. As you're sweating, you are moving, as you're going to the toilet, you are moving, making it more soluble. Alright, so that is the theory of Sherwin. We all understand that.
Yes.
Now the next one, theory of Bexilla. Take note that all these persons are the persons that brought about the theory. Now, theory of Bexilla. Bexilla talked about surface tension. Surface tension. Now, how many of you tried this experiment? If you put a bucket, it's not a bucket.
Yes.
Now, if you fill these two buckets, your class is empty, sister. And there's okay, to the level. Alright, so alright, so if you put this is one bucket and this is another one, if you fill it to the brim, like fill it with water, fill this one with water also, then you know sewing needle, right? If you drop sewing needle in this, remember put it in a place where air will not fluctuate, air will not disturb. If you put a needle, drop needle on this water, what will happen? It will sing, right? It will sing. Now, one of the buckets, don't put anything. The second bucket, put tissue paper. Just cut this tissue paper, put it on it. Gently. Don't allow the water to shake. Then place that needle, that's sewing on the tissue paper. Here, place the needle in water. And you observe that this one will sink immediately. While this one will remain like that, the tissue paper will dissolve, melt, and the needle will float, will remain floating. It will remain like that except you shake the bucket or air, it stops. What happened? The water here now is acting as an elastic skin. That's the surface tension we are talking about. Now, if the surface tension of a substance is close to the surface tension of water, that substance can easily be transported in body fluid and easily excreted. Bexilla says that the theory of detoxification, his theory of detoxification, he said that a toxic compound is converted to a less toxic one or non-toxic one by converting that substance to have a surface tension that is close to that of water. The principle is that if the compound have a surface tension close to water, it can easily be transported in body fluids. Do you get that? Because normally they will accumulate in the cells. But if they are converted to a compound that have a surface tension close to that of water, they can easily be excreted. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Alright, so theory of Sherwin talked about what? Solubility, right? Theory of Bexilla talked about what? Now, what if what if it's not close to water? That is when bioaccumulation takes place. Alright, so now theory of Quick. The next one is theory of Quick. Now, the theory of quick states that a weakly acidic substance, normally, this is the principle, a weakly acidic substance, that is a weak acid, cannot easily be transported in body fluids, cannot easily be excreted. So, quick is on the, he proposed that a weakly acidic substance is converted to a strongly acidic one so that it can easily be excreted from the body. So you can get that by saying weakly acidic compounds are quickly converted to what? Strongly acidic ones so that they can easily be excreted from the body. Do you get that? Alright, so the three principles, I'll come back to that. The three theories we bounded. It's a theory of sharing. It says that a toxic compound is converted to a less toxic one by making it what? More soluble. Theory of Bexilla states that the toxic one is converted to a non-toxic one by what? Making it to have a surface tension close to that of. Then the theory of quick is now saying that a weakly acidic one is converted to what? Strongly acidic one, so that it can easily be what? Excreted. If you forget anything we've said so far, don't forget that detoxification is about any biochemical changes that do what? That take place what? Converting what? Foreign molecules that are what? Basically toxic into what? Less toxic or more soluble compound, right? So that what? They can. Any questions?